What up, it's your boy T-Bear here on the reaction. So, first off, rocking my black shirt for Blackout Tuesday. I was hesitant on doing some reaction, but you know what? I'm just going to do it. It just makes people feel good and have fun. I mean, we're going through some tough time, but it's good to have some laughter and fun in your life. So, that being said, I'm going to get this one out the way. So, Mr. Dan Karuma, you've been bugging me and begging me to do this sound compilation. I'm only doing this for you, man. That's all I'm going to say. Especially that good glimpse of it and you dedicate to me. Now, this is the thing. The reason why I was hesitant to do this, because I really don't care too much about Nicholas Mann as far as a porn star. Not saying I look for the men porn stars. Just certain porn stars I look for because of I'm known it's gonna be some funny shit to watch with them just as Lexington Steele, Wesley Pipes, and Devlin Wing. But Nick Manning, I care less. I might have seen him, not realize who he was or anything. Mainly because the chick he's banging is pretty hot or anything, or the scene looked little lit. But some reason he got a sound compilation for him, and he's begging in almost every single of my videos for me to react to. So I'm doing this for you, Daniel. That's it. But I'm gonna let you know ahead of time. I really don't care about him. If anything. Like I don't know too much about the white porn guys as much by name. Maybe by face. The only one I know by name and face is Peter North, because he's like the big mess maker, bigger than Lexington Steele. So, and maybe a few others. Other than that, let me just get into this and get this out the way. Like I said, Daniel, I'm going to do this for you. So let's get it. Another thing is, hopefully, I'm talking too much. Hopefully, I'll be able to upload it, because you know I was unable to upload my Devlin Wee song compilation for some reason. YouTube's kept taking it down every time I upload it. Thank God I ain't gonna strike out of it. So anyway, let's get this out the way. Yeah, you hold up, pause. You see right there? He pulled me in on this. Say, Ty, I hope you got your game face on. You might not survive this one. So, yeah, I got a feeling I might still lose, and I don't know this guy too much, but something about him. Let me see. He has to be the funniest white man porn, known for these other two words. Enjoy. What other two words? Anyway, let's find out what these other two words he's known for. It's like a monster. It's like a monster. It's like a monster. Alright, that one's not a good bit. And I thought Nat Turner sounded like the Hawk when he like a Hawk, like the Hawk Hawk it down when he busts. This guy sounded like the Hawk smash mad. Anyway.
Were a fierce people. Yeah, Gunna too. They could be watching TV and this bread and stick a cock in your mouth. I almost pulled a hamstring fucking you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be mad if all people he makes me break laugh.
Here comes. Fuck yeah!
That's what I guess dropping low is his word. It's like he doing too much.
Oh my god.
He sound like he's extra. I mean,
Yes. Oh my god. Squirting all over my balls.
all right, here we go. It's like he's extra exaggerated just to be extra exaggerated. Unlike Lexus Tell who extra exaggerated because he just Lexus Still. He just being just for fun, like Lexus Still. And I don't know, it's like with this, but keep going. It's funny though, but it's a little too much. He's doing too much. That dude give me like, but okay. He kept saying F you. Then again, mostly white, especially white girls, when they be hella extra as well too. That's why I like watching mostly the black ones on interracials. Let the light ones are lit. Drop loads. Yeah, I'm only doing this for you, Daniel. I'm not true. I'm not truly impressed, but I'm doing this for you, Daniel. Now this is like getting annoying. Like always say, dropping loads. Yeah. We get it. You're dropping loads. Okay, that almost got me a little bit. That almost got me a little bit. I was waiting for the rest to say something extra random. It's like expected now. Okay, a little bit right there. But I'm close to like saying screw this and stop it. I'm gonna support myself saying that. I don't like. It's like the sauce right here. The picture you're about to give me though, like he going ham. So come here. That look though, what the fuck?
Filthy little spit fucking whore. Yes. Fucking bastard. Oh yeah, suck it like you fucking love it.
Okay, almost got me a little bit.
Slut. Fucking slut.
The fuck? He looks scary right there, like he on steroids. He look like he on steroids right there. What the fuck up with that picture? Okay, you know what? It's about to be over. Thank God. He look evil as fuck in that picture. All right, stop. All right, Daniel. Make this your one and only compilation of Nick Man. At first it was a little bit funny, and then after a while, I was like, okay, we get it. You're dropping loads. All right, make this your last song compilation of this guy, man. He's whatever. But other than that, Daniel, I did it for you. But yeah, you can just scrap the Nick Man, and that's okay. That's whatever. You know what I'm saying. Like I said, the only ones that's hilarious to me is Lexington Steele and Wesley Pipes, and Dylan Wee was a good one too. And I'm so mad. I couldn't stay on my channel. That was a good one too. And hopefully my Google Drive for it worked. And I left in my community. If not, I'll see if I can downsize it or whatever, and then make it work. Another only one that had me dying laughing, not dying laughing. Well, yeah, it did have me dying laughing because I was watching, not trying to laugh. Was Shorty Mac though, but other than that, yeah, this was like whatever. So, if you still like my reaction, like, share, subscribe on YouTube channel. I'll probably get a lot of dislike on this one because it was like whatever. So it's your boy T-Bird signing off. One love.